Hello there, my name is Rūdolfs. I work as a sales manager and team leader for Scandinavian sales team for Primekss. I joined Primekss 2.5 years ago, and at that time my decision was based on the four following things. First, Primekss management technique, which is responsible autonomy, where you are given decision-making freedom, but you are also held responsible for the outcomes of your decisions. Second, Primekss is a fast-growing company, growing around 30% on a yearly basis. This means a bit of chaos, but also endless opportunities to grow professionally. Third, I saw a potential in the product Primekss sells, basically a chance to work with something that differs from the mainstream industry. Fourth, as a sales manager for Primekss, you work only with major sales, which requires a deeper customer-supplier relationship, which seemed fitting to my personality. Another important factor was that company's values fits to what I believe in. Primekss values are its team and planet, and with our product we can really leave our planet a more green place to live in. So that's enough about me. My Primekss case study is a World Trade Center building called Primekss, located in Ocean Pier, an old harbor district in Helsinborg, Sweden. This building will be an important visual landmark for Helsinborg, as it stands one of the tallest buildings in the city and is covered by water from two of its sides, just a few meters shy from where the ferry from Helsinborg, Denmark passes, marking the gates to Sweden. Funny story is that a few weeks ago while in Helsinborg, I was at the high point of the city near the old castle. From there, Primekss really seemed to be the place that caught the eye. So a bit about project specifics. The execution time was from November 2019 till August 2020. The total area for the raft foundation was 4,529 square meters. Thickness of the raft foundation was 350 millimeters. In local places, the deepenings were to 450 millimeters. So, what was the main challenge in this project? The challenge for Primekss team was to redesign and build a watertight raft foundation in a building with very high groundwater pressure. According to project design, the foundations of both buildings, Rūdolfs Bokums, have a common basement area, which is located at the very corner of the harbor. This unusual location, waterfront, resulted in a restricted job site area with limitations concerning construction materials movement and storage place. If this raft foundation construction would be executed as traditional steel mesh reinforced structure as it was intended initially, there would be loads of steel reinforcement needed, meaning time-consuming and difficult material deliveries, huge storage place needed, dangerous unloading and daily reinforcement tying works for construction workers. So, what was our solution? We redesigned the raft foundation in Primekss concrete technology. It allowed to eliminate majority of steel mesh by replacing it with Primekss designed steel fiber reinforced concrete. Primekss concrete technology uses steel fibers in combination with proprietary shrinkage compensating additives that allows us to construct watertight structures. That in order allows us to eliminate the need for the waterproofing membrane, in return saving a lot of money. So, summing up the benefits of using Primekss design in this watertight raft foundation. We significantly reduced steel amount used in this project by saving 246 tons of steel, which is roughly 40% of the steel that was planned in the initial traditionally reinforced design. By using less steel, we saved approximately 2 months in construction time. Removal of waterproofing membrane that was planned in initial design also generated significant cost and time savings. By having less materials at the job site, we successfully solved the initial problem of complicated logistics and limited storage space for the materials. So, in conclusion, if any of those challenges seems familiar to you and you want to use better and up-to-date concrete technologies at your job site, do not hesitate to contact a member of Primekss team. Thank you and good luck.